Hi guys, I'm Gemma Daly and I'm the nutritionist for workout meals. Today we are doing some quick and easy snacks for you to make at home, and today is one of my absolute favorites. So this is my protein oats. You can have them in the morning as a really quick breakfast, which is high in protein. Otherwise, the time that I really enjoy having them is actually at nighttime after dinner as a quick supper before bed, as it keeps me nice and full and it makes me feel like I've had that sweet treat without indulging in anything I shouldn't be. The ingredients that you'll be using today is some oats. We are using, these are traditional oats, which you can definitely use, but you can also use quick oats. Protein powder, you can use absolutely any flavor. I like to use chocolate as it makes me feel like I've had a chocolate dessert, but you can definitely have whatever flavor you enjoy. The other one we've got is honey as a sweetener, and we've got some vanilla extract. The thing with that I really want to note about this recipe, in big rookie area that you don't want to do not put your protein powder in when you're cooking. It will go dry and it will go gluggy and it will soak up all that moisture and it will not be nice. The only things we'll be adding in on the stove is our oats, our milk, whichever milk you prefer to add, and our vanilla. So we've got 1 full cup of oats here. These are quick oats so we can cook it really, really fast. We've turned it on high heat. So if you don't have a measuring cup, a really good rule of thumb is whatever cup you use for your oats, you'll use the exact same amount of milk. So I have 1 cup of oats to 1 cup of milk. That's it, we let it simmer down. Then what I do is I add my vanilla. And we let that sit till it comes to a boil. So as you guys saw, this literally took 2 minutes on the stove because we used those quick oats. If you find that it did dry out a little bit too much, just add a little bit more milk or moisture, some water to it. That's absolutely fine. You just want it to stay quite sloppy. And this is because that protein powder is going to soak a lot of that moisture up, and you don't want to end up with dry oats. You still want it to be silky and smooth. So you can definitely mix it in the pot, but I like to be able to mix it in my plate to keep a lot of that heat out. You gradually just popping in your protein and mix it through. And this way you're not cooking that protein off and it won't go gluggy for you. It's just a bit messy to mix it in. So that's our protein. Then I like to top it off with some honey. And my other topping, which I don't have today but is one of my favorites, is just to top it with some pure cream. You can also use pure maple syrup as well. We've got our honey. We'll add some fresh fruit on top. As I said, this is beautiful breakfast, but it's also such a nice supper, so you don't end up snacking on unnecessary things in the afternoon. So there you have it, guys. My favorite snack option. You can have it for a quick breakfast in the morning. You can have it as a nice supper before bed, and you can also have it post-workout. If you want any other delicious recipes or this exact one, we're giving away a free ebook, so head straight to our website and you'll be able to download it from there. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy this recipe at home.